Did you know that you can potentially earn money by watching YouTube videos? In today's video, I will introduce you to a website where you can earn more than $1,000 by watching YouTube videos. The first website is inboxdollars.com. It's a fairly well-known website, and actually a lot of people use it to earn money by watching videos. The best part is that you can $5 instantly just by registering money. The reviews on this website are amazing. You have to collect $10, which is very achievable. Additionally, since you already have a $5 sign-ups bonus, you only need to earn the remaining $5 before we can cash out. As you can see here, you can earn points for watching videos in survey and by buying and doing cash offers, but we will only discuss about getting paid for watching videos below, which is one of the most expensive. Let's take a look at how this website works. If you scroll down here, you will see the businesses pay for the inputs of customers who recruit just like you and me, then to online activities like watch videos, take surveys and much more. And in its members with cash and cash with you, you will learn more about how to make money with this site as we continue to scroll down the page. As you can see here, big brand companies ask consumers to watch short pieces of their content like movie trailers, or they pay the website for new product features, and the website shares a points of this revenue with us. So it turns out that you will get a portion of their payment, and that's how all you have to do now is to earn money using the site. Look for the purple sign up button and the bottom of the page. Click on it and a bonus will pop up. You will receive a $5 and registration free. The name of the next website is ucubes.com. Here you can see they have over 1 million members and they have been established since 2007. So you can basically earn cash online by viewing different websites, completing surveys, and most importantly, watching videos. To sign up for a free account, all you have to do is click on this button where it says sign up is free, and then it will take you to this page. Now you just need to enter your email addresses, create a password, fill in your full username, gender, and date of birth, and select your country of residence by clicking on this drop down arrow. As you can see, they have people from all countries the world accepts. Write to me in the comments which country you are from. The next site is called boxinside.com. As you can see here, we can get paid every 10 seconds. That's what I like about this website. Just watch a very short video like 10 seconds and you can get paid. The best part about this website is that you can cash out immediately after reaching the threshold of $2 on the website. As you can see here, they accept people all over the world. They are very transparent about all payments they send people. Payment methods including AirTM, Coinbase, and PayPal. And many other cases. You can also see their total income. As you can see, all the income they earn on this website was just by watching the videos, and this is unbelievable. You can try them yourself. So to get started, we need to sign up. for a free account, just click on the sign up button here and it will take you to the sign up from where you need to be. To create a username or email addresses, enter your login or payment, and in the reference field you can just leave it blank and then just choose your desired width for cash and your desired payment method for payments. You can view and choose here. So personally, I definitely prefer PayPal because it's more convenient. If you like PayPal like me, be sure to let me know your comment below. So because just select your years of birth and right at the bottom you have to select them by clicking on one of these. This is just to prove you're not a bot. Then just click register. The next site is fashioncash.net. They pay you to sign up a free account. As you can see here, they pay you a 100% free 5 sign up bonus just for sign up an account. Now just click on this button where it says get $5 so you can sign up for a free account and then just fill in your username and password, email address and zip code and just click on the sign up button. Now one thing to note is to make sure the address confirm your email and make sure you check your inbox. Now you can watch different videos and start earning. You can also do different things like download mobile apps and download games and refer friends to earn money with Fashion Cash. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to channel and click on the notification bell smash the like button and I'll see you in the next videos.